I'm just very nosy. Goodness, why is it all wet? Holy smokes. Let's see if that makes a difference. I just turned on my ring light so you'd actually be able to see me, and holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Oh. Anyway, good morning, you guys. It's currently Tuesday morning. I was supposed to start this video yesterday and I just like completely forgot about it. I didn't hardly do much yesterday anyway, so. But hello, my beautiful YouTube friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Hallie, if you don't already know. I'm gonna be doing a weekly vlog. I haven't done a weekly vlog in a while. I love watching weekly vlogs. I'm just very nosy. I love to know what people do with their time. Like I said, Tuesday morning, I literally just woke up. This is the first time I'm talking today. So sorry for the raspy voice and sorry that I'm so quiet. Paisley's awake in her room currently. Chris is still sleeping right now. So I'm gonna try to let him sleep. I'm hoping that Paisley will kind of just quiet down and play in her crib for a while. I think I'm gonna quick clean Paisley's playroom because I'm gonna show you in a second. It's quite a disaster and I just haven't like picked it up in a while.
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we...
Hello, you guys. It's much later in the day. It's almost 5 o'clock, but we've been spending some time at my family's cottage. We've been here we got here around 1:15ish, so it's been like a couple hours that we've been here. And Chris just left like literally 2 minutes ago, so Paisley's napping right now, so I'm gonna stay until she wakes up, and then me and her are gonna go play and stuff in the water. I'm gonna come probably tomorrow as well. That's pretty much it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm...
Good morning, you guys. I'm just about to pick out my outfit for the day, except for the fact that I have no idea what I want to wear. I really just want to wear something super casual. I'm just going to my family's cottage today like I was yesterday. I'm gonna go again today because I actually have to like do some stuff there to get ready for next week. Oh, Chris and I already worked out this morning. He's at work, but we did kind of like a full body workout this morning, so that was fun. I was too exhausted to film, and I knew if I was focusing on filming, I would not be focusing on my workout. So maybe later in the week I can film part of my workout. I also haven't worked out for like 2 weeks, so I'm just kind of like jumping right back into things, and I'm trying not to like burn myself out. So yes, lifting heavy, but not to the point of like failure. I also need to start filming another video today. I just filmed one last night, currently filming this video. I have to start another video today, but I think I need to do laundry. All right, I guess I'll go throw a load of laundry in right now. I got somewhat ready. Paisley's playing in her room currently. She'll probably come out here in just a second, but oh my goodness, why is it all wet? I'm just gonna quick plan out my day and write a to-do list and things that I wanna get done for the day. I don't really have much to do, to be honest. Paisley, can I have your pacifier? Thank you, good job. Okay, I gotta go to our family's cottage today. I need to edit my night routine. That video should already be up. We have to go get ready for the day. I think we're gonna leave for my family's cottage probably around between 11 and 12. I would like to eat lunch there. It's 9 o'clock right now, and I'm also doing a load of laundry, so I wanna wait until that's completely done because I have shorts in the laundry that I wanna wear. We are gonna go get ready.
Ready?
Waking up to my heartbeats, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my eyes is not very surprising. This room is still uncharted, but as soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS. I'll wave like it's nobody's business. Give me some time to breathe, give me some time to speak, 'cause I know the truth inside.
Happy Thursday, you guys. Hold on, Paisley's running out into the garage. Paisley! Oh, you wanna go in the wagon? It is Thursday. Nope, it's not Thursday. It's not Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. Oh my gosh. Did I even film yesterday? I did, I think. No, it's Thursday. Holy smokes. Paisley wants to go for a ride in the wagon. We just picked this up. My mom bought this for Paisley a while ago, but we just picked it up today and brought it home. So I think we're gonna go for a little walk before we go and have lunch. It is 11:21 right now. Exactly, baby. We don't have any plans for the day, just to kind of chill and hang out. Gotta grab the juice. I'm trying to get outside more today. I'm also trying to talk quiet because I don't know if my neighbors can hear me. My goal is to get 2.5 hours outside with Paisley today. So far, we have been outside for a total of an hour and 5 minutes. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna bring my big camera with me. I'll maybe get some clips on my phone, but I get embarrassed filming in public, so. Cheese. Say hi. Sleep. Hi. Oh, is there a bee by me? Oh gosh. You wanna go down the slide? Paisley, you don't eat the rocks. Ready? Mom will go down the slide. Ready? Oh. Wow. Da-da, da-da. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, I wanted to quick show you guys what we're having for lunch. I'm having a taco salad. It's got salsa, Greek yogurt, beans, corn, peppers, onions, and then some spring mix with extra spinach. And then Paisley is having a mini baby quesadilla with the same things that are in my salad in it, just without the Greek yogurt and salsa. And then blueberries and zucchini. Paisley, are you hungry?
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there.
I am currently laying in Paisley's crib while she's out there watching the Wiggles, but I was tired. But we took her door off of her crib. We take it off during the day because she really likes it. I do put it on for nap time and bedtime, don't worry. It is now 12:22. I think we're gonna go back outside for a little bit. Like I said, I'm trying to get a lot of time outside, and then I'm gonna put her to bed. I just put Paisley down for a nap. This is very close. Jeez. Maybe we can turn this ring light on to see if that makes a difference. I just became so white. You can tell I put sunscreen on my face and not my body. It makes me look like I have a fake tan, but I promise my tan is actually real. I want to get a head start on the video you're currently watching, the week in the life, because today is Friday and it has to be done and edited by Monday. yeah, so to make my life easier, I want to get a little head start on it. I'm not working out today. Chris and I decided to take a break today because we went hard the last 2 days and both of our bodies are just so sore. Anyway, I'm not doing anything right now because I need the card that's in my camera so I can edit. So I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me.
Take your pretty outfit and go. Show yourself right out of my zone. Now before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know. So I used to stand in it for. Run back home to mama, let's go. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Run away. Run away. Run away. Run boy run, run boy run, run boy run away. Just go home. Don't you know it's a no? His shoulders tie-dye,
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hi.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Okay, I'm going.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
It's really hot. Say hi. Hi. Oh, are you gonna videotape for a second? Here, just hold it. Just hold it. Okay, now let's go.
Oh, we know
Follow
what
me.
we
Watch out
have,
for the
let's
pole
hold
in
on
front of you.
tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us
Following the
crazy,
path.
but
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Do you want to come in Mama's room and come get ready with me? Can we sing? Twinkle, twinkle. I was gonna say good morning, but it's definitely not morning. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon. Happy Saturday! Oh my gosh, it's Saturday. So, originally I was like, I'm gonna be so productive during Paisley's nap. I'm going to edit this week in the life. I edited it a little bit. Whoa, I said that really weird. I edited it a little bit. And then I just can't concentrate right now. I'm gonna edit, and then I'm gonna clean, and then I'm gonna get ready because I'm going out tonight. We're gonna go bowling, so I'm super excited about that. Where was I going with this story? Oh yeah, Paisley's not sleeping, so I'm gonna stay down here for a little bit longer. I'm actually just gonna clean Paisley's playroom, mainly because I don't want to edit this video. 2, I don't want to be on my phone right now. I feel like I've been on social media all day long for no reason. So basically, I'm cleaning her playroom to procrastinate. Yeah, pretty much. Anyway, I'm gonna stop boring you. This is basically just turning into a cleaning video this entire week. We're just gonna time lapse this baby.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah.
Oh, there's a little itty bitty baby spider on the wall. Squish. Dead spider now. I don't really hear Paisley anymore, but I'm going to quietly go upstairs and get ready for tonight. Hopefully the next time you see me, I will look a lot better than I do now. Okay, I feel a little bit better now. We went with some normal Dutch braids. My goal is to be ready in about 15 minutes. 4:06. I want to get Paisley up, or like start slowly waking her up at like 4:20 because we have to be at my parents' by 4:45. And if she wakes up cranky, it always takes her a little bit of time before I can actually like get her ready. Oh my gosh, my brain. I got my purse, wallet, keys. Six minutes to spare. Now we're ready to go. Alright guys, so it is now Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. If you like these kind of week in the life videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below, dolphins are the best, just to confuse people who didn't actually watch through the whole video. And I kind of want to see how many people actually watch till the end of my videos. So comment down below, dolphins are the best. And subscribe because I make a new video every Monday and Thursday, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!